Hello friends, welcome back to CJ Made Simple. In this tutorial I will show you how to add this guy over here and why do you need it, how to spare some clicks and save your time. It will be a quick tip. So the option that I would like to optimize and speed up and turn into a shortcut, in this case quote, is actually the exporting of one single piece of a particular scene. And when I want to export it as a different format, if you want to save it as max, there is the save selected, these options over here, save selected. You can turn it into a button like this. But for doing this, we have another video with shortcuts. You can find a link in the description. The topic of this video is actually when you want to go to File, Export, and use this option, Export Selected, which stands for exporting FBX, 3ds, DWG, or anything else. And I'm going to show you how to turn this few clicks, these 5 clicks, let's say, into one single click. This could save you a lot of time if you need to do this, let's say, 100 times per day if you have repetitive work, or it could just spare some of your capability, because I personally find this annoying, like doing repetitive, let's say, not so clever work, and you can save and you can have more energy for the rest of the things. Shortly said, what we need to do is to put this menu, this guy here, this option, to put it into quote. I prefer to put it into quote, but you can make it into shortcut. I prefer to put it when I right click with the mouse over here to the left bottom. I've created myself some shortcuts here as well, but I can make this into a separate video. For now, for this case, I would like to put this option over here, and this way I'll have it in one click. Right click and it's below. How to do it? Go to Customize, Customize User Interface over here. Go here, above are all of the tabs, go to quotes, and here are the 4 quotes. This here stands for this here, this blue thing. We're searching for the bottom left, this guy over here. These are the contextual menus. They are standing for the different options. Let's say if you have edit mesh, edit poly, NURBS, etc. And here below you can find, if I right click, here are find overlapping objects. It's another script, or this also contextual menu when using edit polys. And in order to put it here, I just need to go find the option. Here under category, I will go to all commands and I'll quickly go to find export. Export selected, this guy. Simply drag and drop it, like here below, and I can see it's right there. I can just close it, and now it's grayed out because I need first to select the object, right click, voila, I have it. Chair, something, okay. There is a problem with the texture, but this is for another video. We have a video for this, but this is how you can turn this option into quick quote. And of course, once you create it, you would like to use it probably the next time when you open 3ds Max, or you want to use it on another machine, or you want to give it to a friend. You need to save it. here under customize user interface, here the quote tab, and below you can find save as. This is the extension MNUX. This will save you the quotes, but there is another broader option. Let's say if we go to customize, save custom UI, here this guy will allow you to save everything that you changed on your UI and to be able to transfer it to different computers. But here will be include also the tabs and many other parts of the UI, not only the quotes. And in order to make the tutorial complete from start to beginning, I'll show you how to delete this quote. Go to customize user interface, and find here the newly designed thing. Go over there, down below, and right click, delete the menu item. This is in order to decide, okay, it's not worth it, it's too much, okay, let's keep the thing neat and clean. Click delete that menu, and if I right click here on the side, you can see the change is immediately applied. If you put something into the contextual menus, you need to find them here, and as a bonus, I will share with you that there is an option to open additional things, maybe you know it, with the Control Alt and Shift here, these guys, and the different mouse buttons, right, left, or a combination of these. This could give you a quick access also to different or more functions that are hidden somewhere in the 3ds Max menus. This was something like short introduction to the quotes with one example that I love to use. I encourage you to give me your feedback, to tell me what you think about all of these things, tiny shortcuts that saves time, or just they're sparing some of the annoying options of 3ds Max. If you liked our content, please support us, join our channel, subscribe, like and share. And I will probably do another deeper video about the quotes, my favorite, and how they helped me do my work better and faster. Thank you a lot for being here, and I see you in the next video. Bye. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.